You're hungry?
I
What time is it?
I don't know. I don't care. I'm hungry. My stomach says it's time to eat.
I still don't know where we are. What town this is? I don't know.
It says pool and there's like a fucking ladder.
I think a...
There's a ladder.
Oh wow. Is that a pool? It's kind of green for a pool. Pretty sure it's a fountain.
Ginga, it says on the map pool.
No gift shop? Empty lobby? I think everybody's eating breakfast here because they paid for it, but we did not. So we gotta go outside and get some breakfast. They put out the shoes for us, but we're not checking out yet. We're staying at the Hotel Gay Bozo. Very outdated, old, but charming. I like these old, outdated Japanese hotels. Back on the road. Apparently it's Men's Valentine's Day.
Today?
Yes.
You know, it's funny because this morning when I went into the lobby, there's a bunch of men. And some of them were wearing red. It's like a jungle here.
Nice and cool today.
Because it's 7:30 in the morning.
That's true. Made it out to the town and trying to get some food here. I don't even think this place is open.
Oh no, it's not.
Yeah. It says 9 right there. Fuck. Are we gonna eat conbini again?
No.
Okay. I think this will work. Alright, this is totally Japanese fast food right here. Let's do this. Breakfast of champions.
We wish to offer safe and delicious food for people all over the world. Delicious food for everyone in the world.
I'm tired.
I'm so tired.
Gross. The whole place smells like toilet. How was it? That was not very good food, I have to say. Just the place smells like pee. That's what pisses me off. Time to get some coffee. Stop. 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 Stop being a pig.
I'm not being a pig.
Oh yeah.
When we deserve it.
Yes.
I think you understand.
Alright, we're back in Gay Bozo. Nice. Smells like seafood. Everybody's leaving. Look at the people having their breakfast. It's time to say goodbye to the Gay Bozo. They're really friendly and awesome. I like it. Can they help me?
Yes.
Put this in your girls' club. Oh no, my battery's running out.
Hi, ohayou gozaimasu.
Take my sandals. Domo, arigatou gozaimashita. Alright, adventure continues. Where are we going today, Steph?
I don't know.
No one knows. But now we're on the coast, so we're gonna stick with the coast by the sea. Hopefully we're gonna find a place to play. Like a mountain pass.
Going through tunnels soon.
We are in the mountains. The ocean is right there. You can see that there's a shrine. Not quite sure if we're allowed in here, but let's just go anyways. Oh, konnichiwa. Oh, is he missing an eye? There he goes. This is a very nice place. Just so like wild. Bunch of islands in the bay. Super quiet. All you hear is the birds. Is your eye messed up too? Ah, そうっすか。うちも昔一匹跳ねられたのいたな。
猫、犬、車にさ、僕が帰ってきたその前の車が跳ねて、
ああ。
家の前で、家の道路でね、全くつまらんことをしちゃった。
うん。
アジを釣ってみよう。
うん。
アジを釣ってるんだけど、今大物が来ちゃってさ、でぐちゃぐちゃにされちゃって、できたらね、こういうところ見せてあげてください。最高やね。
最高ですよ。彼女本当に好きになっちゃって日本を。そうだね。はい。じ
ゃああれだ、和歌山県の方。
そうですね。
那智勝浦の方。そうです。いいですよ。
はい。
ここへ勝浦の方へ連れて立ってください。いろんなものが今干潮だから結構中まで
そうですよね。
入ってきれるから。あ、これがアジ。
ああ。
彼女にはいハロー。
すぐ取れますね。
これ猫に食われるといかんからさ。
ああ、それでここで待ってるんですかこれ。
そう。これが小アジ。アジを釣ってさ、これはねどうして食べるかっていうとね、塩焼き、それから煮てもいいんだけど、塩でフライパンで鉄板焼いて塩かけて焼いて、それが一つと、天ぷらフライ。ちょっと餌かかると感じでね。
ありがとうございました。いろいろと情報。はい。大きいの釣ってください。
納屋ぐらいで一個さ、景色が綺麗なとこあるんやわ。
これってもうここもうちょっと行ったら
ここまで行けるけど、ちょっと道が悪いよ。
悪いですか。
戻った方が楽よ。
どうもありがとうございます。すいません。 think we're running out of energy here. Dying of hunger! Alright, lunchtime, baby. Shrimp tempura udon. It's hot.
It's hot.
Oh, I feel much better.
Wow, that's a big beach.
It's a big ass beach. Wow.
I think we found it.
This is it. When it goes out, it's gonna go out very far, and you're gonna have pools left everywhere.
And it's gonna be all the leftover creatures that got trapped.
Exactly. And you'll spend your entire day.
Yeah, watching it. Like, I don't wanna go!
So we found a little rocky area by the sea where we could play. We're hoping to find some creatures in the water, but unfortunately, right now, the tide is high, which means, well, you don't see a lot of creatures. When the tide is low, the water goes out and it leaves a bunch of pools everywhere, especially in a rocky area like this. All of this would be just like pools of water everywhere, and all the creatures gets trapped. So tomorrow, we're hoping around noon, we're gonna come back, and then I think we're gonna see a lot of interesting, weird sea creatures, and Steffi will just spend an entire day, I'm sure. Just forget about it.
Look at it, so nice. It's hot.
It is hot. Tomorrow we start early.
Yeah.
And we know where to come. We're not gonna do any driving.
No driving.
No driving. Okay, well, here we are in Katsura.
I found the kittens and I took a picture, and then I was petting them, and then whoever lives in the house opened the window. They didn't look out, so I just slowly walked away.